guys, in this video we're going to be working through an exam style question.
Hi guys, in this video we're going to be looking at an exam style question focusing on electrolysis. This question starts with a diagram showing the electrolysis of molten calcium chloride. In this diagram you can see the characteristic components of an electrolysis experiment, which are the electrolyte, which contains mobile ions, and the electrodes. And the first part of the question asks you to label these electrodes as the cathode and the anode. It can help to remember which electrode is which by thinking about which ions are attracted to that electrode. For example, we know that negative ions are called anions. And in an electrolysis experiment, anions are attracted to the anode. As there is an attractive interaction between opposite charges, we therefore know that negatively charged anions are going to be attracted to the positively charged electrode, and we can therefore label this as the anode. Similarly, positively charged ions are called cations, and these are attracted to the cathode, so therefore the negatively charged electrode is the cathode. We've determined the charge on each of the electrodes by just looking at the charge on the cell, which the electrodes are connected to. Part B asks you, what is oxidation in terms of electrons? So it's just asking you for a standard definition. You might remember this using the acronym OIL-RIG, where the oil part stands for oxidation is loss, meaning that oxidation is loss of electrons. We're then asked to write the balanced half equations for the reactions that are taking place at both electrodes, and to use this to say which ion is being oxidised. This question is based upon the fact that the electrolysis process is a redox reaction, and that we can therefore write half equations for what is happening at each of the electrodes, where half equations tell us about the transfer of electrons. In the start of the question, we were told that the diagram shows the electrolysis of molten calcium chloride. So to start with, we need to identify which ions will be present within molten calcium chloride. Calcium is a group 2 metal, and therefore loses 2 electrons in its compounds in order to form a Ca2+ cation. Calcium chloride also contains the Cl- chloride anion.
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE chemistry and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and together let's make chemistry at GCSE a walk in the park.